Morning, welcome to the 6.8 liter garage. The other day I received this package in the mail, and I think I know what it is. Came from ArcDroid, and it says it's a critical upgrade, replacement parts plus power PCB. So this should be a part that we install in the main ArcDroid unit to be able to handle the power requirements of the new Plus controller for ArcDroid. So I don't know if you remember, at the end I'll link the video, but when I installed the Plus Power or the Plus controller, I noticed a power issue. I did something I tried to load it too large of a file, which caused a dialog to pop up and an alarm, a beep, and it kind of browned out the unit because it wasn't able to send enough power. So as always, ArcDroid is quick to jump on that, and I think this is the fix for that. We'll see if there's any instructions in here. I did notice on the forums, the ArcDroid CNC forums, that several other people had already received these, and they said it was a simple install. I'm sure it is a simple install. The only thing complicating it a little bit is there's water in my table, so I got to pull it out without sloshing it everywhere. But I don't know, let's see what's in here. I think I might know. Well, there is a little book. ArcDroid Plus Power Install Guide. So good. I did look online and I didn't see any instructions or anything, but a pretty good set of instructions here. Tell you which part to take, which bolts to loosen in order to pull the back plate down, and where to install the new Plus Power circuit board. So, and what's in here even comes with a tool, an Allen key for opening the ArcDroid. Interesting. If you have an ArcDroid, you probably have an Allen wrench set, so that's probably overkill, but appreciated nonetheless. Thank you, Andrew. And let's see what's in here. Not a very big part. How do I open this guy? Well, it's made with a Ziploc. So that you can reclose it. Won't be doing that. And let's see what we got here. A bag that just refuses to open. There it goes. And there we are. Wow, it looks simple, alright. It looks like you just pop it into the plug and close it back up. Alright, well, let me pull this out. I don't know if I'll do that on video or not because, well, we'll see. But stand by and we'll get this installed. Alright, I decided what the heck. I'll film the whole thing. Doesn't mean I'll use it, so you might not get to see this, but move the welding table out of the way. And let's see if we can pull the plasma table out without spilling water everywhere. It's not a great place to grab. Well, if we unlock the casters first, well, they're more likely that we'll be able to pull it out. And I got a caster trying to run over a cord. 2 as a matter of fact. Alright. Rolls really easy. Now that I do this, I remember that. That's probably good enough. Why didn't you tell me I was stretching this? You guys are supposed to be helping me, not laughing at me. Alright. What else do we got here? Power cord. Before we open this, probably a good idea to take that off. Huh? Let's take it off this end just to get it out of the way. Disconnect the Cat 6 cable and the ×2 connector. I think I can get away with the rest of it. So now we need the here's proof that Andrew knew what he was doing by sending the tool, because I didn't even have to go to the toolbox to get a tool. I don't even have to know what size to use. I just grab the tool. And we'll start loosening. Okay, so that's all the screws. I should be able to lower this back plate now. I'm probably going to regret not taking that last cable off. There we go. Alright, let me bring you guys over. See on the instructions, 2 plugs right there, right above the fan. So let's see if we can identify that spot. On the actual board. You guys can't see anything. Can you see now? Now you can see. So the plug is right here, and I take that to be right there. So let me go get the part. Here's the part here. And it should be as simple as snapping that in place, seating it. Even 6.8 liter garage can do this themselves. Now, I've had this open before for other reasons, but I had a dead communications port and I had to replace this board. So I have been in here before. That's why the screws were so tight that I could almost not open it. But this looks like it. Maybe I'll close this up and then plug everything back in before I put all the screws in, and let's fire it up and make sure that it comes back up. So let's do that. Stand by. Okay, I just put that back panel up and plugged everything in. So we should now be able to turn it on, and if we don't get smoke and fire and flames, which we won't, we should be good. Hey, it's up. So that's just how difficult it is to install that part. I mean, I still have to put the screws in and push it back, but let's do a couple of things. Now, obviously I'm not going to cut anything, but let's home it. And let's load, if I can remember what the file was that we fail. Okay. Bear with me. Thought I left it on here. I don't think it is on here. This one's a big one. It loads fine. Tree of Life G-code is a big one. Yeah, firing right up, loading just fine. If I could find that file that loads and makes it beep, that would be better. Maybe I'll go see if I think I have it on my computer still. I don't know why I don't have it here. It should be here. Oh, there it is. And it loaded it. Let's see. Huh. Interesting, it actually loaded it. Alright, so anyway, that's the power upgrade. It's a simple plug and play, as you saw, and it seems to work. Well, everything's back in place. Now I know a proper YouTuber at this point would throw some metal up here and make some sparks. Unfortunately, I'm a little busy and I'm doing good to find time to do this video. I just thought it'd be interesting to some people to see the upgrade that's required. I assume now that'll be part of the package when you buy a Plus box. I'll probably include that. So you can expect that when you get yours. I hate to make promises because, you know, making promises you can't guarantee you can keep is a good way to make yourself a liar, but I will try to, on the next video, go back to making something. So hopefully it'll be, I think I have an idea what's coming next. It'll be one where I get laptop guy back, put him to work, and we'll draw something and then we'll come out and cut it. But for today, that's all I got. And don't be afraid of that upgrade. It's free. If you bought a Plus controller, you probably already have one, or it's in the mail on its way to you. And don't be afraid to install it. Five little Allen wrench or Allen nuts, Allen screws. Fold the back down, plug it in, put it back together. Everything's good. So anyway, no fear. It's a good deal. Once again, Andrew's standing behind this product, and the ArcDroid is a good product. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe, as we always say. If you want some merch, I noticed, well actually my wife noticed, of all people, that Andrew posted a video on Snapchat or something where he was wearing one of these shirts. If you want to get yourself one of these shirts, go to the store. It's linked in below this video, and you can order one. So anyway, thanks for watching.